we see that all my tasks are now pre-annotated. Let me assign them to some annotator. I'm going to assign them to user Dia as an annotator, and I'm going to assign some of them to a reviewer, one. Okay. Now, if I log in into the tool with a different user, right? Same tool, but a different user who has a different role. So Wana, who is reviewer, she will only see this project because she was only added to this oncological data curation project. If she clicks on it, she will see that she needs to review 3 tasks, but they are currently incomplete, so she doesn't have any work to do yet. If I log in with the user Dia, who is an annotator, I see the projects which are assigned or where Dia is part of the team. So for the oncological data curation, I see task 2, 3, and 4, where this user was added as an annotator. Now on the right side, so next to in the tasks view, on the right side, you can see different filters as well, which will help users pick the next task to work on based on different criteria. So first of all, you can see that all those tasks added to the project will go through a series of statuses. At the beginning, they are incomplete, right, as they are now. When the annotator assigned to them starts working on the task, they will switch status and will go to in progress. When the annotator is done and they have submitted a ground truth completion, they will go to status submitted. When they are submitted, they will become available to the reviewers to review, and the reviewer can accept corrections or the annotations from the annotators, or they can send them back, and then the task will go to status to correct. Okay,